A day in the life of a queen on a Saturday morning. Woke up and had a health shot. Then had breakfast because my roommate had it all ready for me before I woke up. Then ate my breakfast watching this amazing movie. If you know, you know.
Guess what I'm making? I'm making carrot cake. See you in a couple hours because this is going to take forever. This cake is actually healthy because it has a lot of protein in it.
Because of all the eggs. Mixing all the ingredients together. Now in the oven to bake. Hanging out in the backyard while we wait for the cakes to bake. Crazy Chewy over there.
Cheers.
Cheers. And you got this cutie on my lap. This cutie on my lap. And those are the dogs I'm watching for the week because I'm a dog sitter. And then there's Chewy.
Guys, you don't know how good the house smells right now. Ooh, hot. My glasses fogged up.
Making the yummy frosting while the cakes cool off.
Taking a little break, eating an egg salad sandwich. Almost done. Just need to finish decorating. It's gonna taste so good.
Putting cute little carrots on the cake. A little reward, pizza and drink. Mirror selfie in the bathroom.
I forgot to show you guys, but that's the finished product. I made 3 cakes, but then I actually already cut up some and put them in these little containers. But